Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP and want to move it from Coinbase to Gemini in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, helping you avoid common pitfalls and keep your crypto safe. Why do this? Gemini offers unique features like staking rewards, so transferring could boost your earnings. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both Coinbase and Gemini, with some XRP already in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that you're aware of any network fees, as crypto transfers aren't free. In 2025, the XRP network is even more efficient, but always verify the current gas fees. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to your dashboard and find your XRP balance. Click on it to access your wallet details. Now, open a new tab and log into Gemini. Go to your wallet section and generate or copy your XRP receiving address. Make sure it's for the XRP network to prevent any errors. Step 2. Back in Coinbase, select the Send or Withdraw option for XRP. Paste the Gemini address you just copied and enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to review everything. Wrong addresses can lead to lost funds forever. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a transaction summary. Once you approve the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your Gemini account for the incoming XRP. Pro tip: use two-factor authentication on both platforms to add an extra layer of security. And there you have it. Your XRP is now on Gemini. Remember, crypto is volatile, so always stay informed. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that portfolio.